days into it becoming law, and lawsuits are already on the table. The ACLU of Utah says it's looking at suing the state over a new law that prevents people under the age of 18 from receiving gender-affirming care like puberty blockers and transgender surgery. ABC4's Courtney Johns joining us live from the Capitol tonight with the latest on this effort. Courtney.
Yeah, Glenn, the ACLU of Utah says Utah is the only state right now that has a law like this that's active, and they are willing to put every resource possible into destroying this law. Arkansas, as well as Alabama, had passed similar bills into law, but the ACLU filed lawsuits, which in turn caused judges to put those laws on hold until they work their way through the court system. Aaron Welcher with the ACLU of Utah says this law prevents transgender kids from getting the appropriate medical care they need. Now, while some state leaders say they are merely pausing these treatments until more research is done, Welcher calls it an outright ban, saying they didn't give an end date or any definition as to when there will be enough studies to back this type of treatment. On top of this, he says in order to remove the ban, the same people who passed this law would be responsible for bringing these treatments back.
From what we saw, that isn't likely, seeing as how they really throughout the whole process ignored the people's voices on this issue.
So the bill's sponsor, Senator Kennedy, released a statement that says, in part, we can't allow social policy to outpace science, especially when scientific evidence is still emerging and lacking in consensus. Now, Welcher didn't give us a timeline on when exactly this lawsuit would be filed, but he did say that at the bare minimum, he's confident that the courts would put this law on hold while it goes through the court system, because it's very easy to argue that this causes significant harm to kids. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Courtney Johns, ABC4 News.